Hello YouTube, and this is CSTOYS International, and thank you for joining. And actually, this is the third part of the demonstration, together with the S.H.Figuarts EX, the machine tornado, the motorcycle there, and also the Kamen Rider Agito's Trinity form together. So both of them are the Bandai premiere and just released, and for the exclusively from the Tamashi web store. We got that, and then I like to try the combination, Kamen Rider Agito and Machine Tornado, and what we can do with it. Okay, so this is actually first time for me to try this one. So please help me out. Okay, so let me change the my camera, change it, and let's see what we can do. Alright, so actually, this is the machine tornado here, and then Trinity form Agito is here too. And then the good thing is that the machine tornado comes with the two hand piece like this for the Agito. So he can actually hold that and grab that handlebar. And so first thing will be the change in his hand piece here. So let me change that. Okay. So this one will be here, this one will be here. Alright, just change that. Well, since it's a Trinity form, the color of the hands is different for the left and right. But, well, that cannot be helped. So I would just switch to the black regular glove that he has. I will use that. Now, okay, he has... See? He's ready to grab the motorcycle handles, okay? Alright, and then his motorcycle is here. Okay, the first thing, okay, it's gotta be a kind of hard one too. Here. Oh, I see. Okay, I used to have him grab it. Okay, he did. He did very well. Now, I need to make him put that feet onto that machine. I don't know if he can. Okay. How is that? Huh? It's not really a perfect one, but he's not his leg is not reaching on the ground, but looks okay though. Whoa, very nice. Kamen Rider Agito S.H.Figuarts with the machine tornado, and here it is.かっこいいね. Looks good though. Okay. So that's the back. かっこいい。Wow. Guys, this is something that you should have. Wow. Yeah, I have to admit that this is Kamen Riders needs to be on the motorcycle. Definitely. Wow. Okay. All right, and then so let's go for the slider mode then, and then I think I will shoot that from here, this angle. Once again. Okay. So excuse me. Now I will change that as to the slider mode again. Pull and turn and bend it. And now as you pull and turn the wheel, okay, got that. Okay, and then slide it like this. Okay, so what I need is the Tamashi stands over here. Okay. Now I need some good picture of the slider, and so Tamashi Wave works very well for this one. Okay. Okay. It's 難しいよこれ。結構難しい。え、これでいいのかな。Wow. How's that, guys? Am I doing okay? Alright. It's just for the instance, okay? And just for now. And looking good, alright? And I think I made it. And let's take a look. All right, riding on the wave. Oh, now that's cool. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Woo-hoo. Actors ride the wind. Okay, exploding shark. See you soon though. Have a good night though. Don't forget, you're okay. Oh, wow. You shall. Kick to the bed. Okay, and then I think that's it. And then that's gonna be a very nice figures. That the combination, I think it was quite a success. And then S.H.Figuarts EX Machine Tornador, the exclusive one, and also the Kamen Rider Agito Trinity form. The great combinations. I really love it. And so thank you very much. And we'll be start selling these two items tomorrow 2 p.m. On store from our stores. So we will make that our announcement on the YouTube channel. So please take a look at that and for more details about the tomorrow sale. Okay, and then so thank you very much for being with us, and see you soon. And I hope you enjoyed the demonstrations. And ciao. じゃあね、また。